notes are the most important parts which I had. It helped me in my DNB preparation as well. Some questions were directly from the speed notes which I have studied.
I bring in all the greetings and wishes from Speed faculty members and Institute of Speed to
Thank
Dr.
you, sir.
Mitra for scoring a very good rank of 53 in All India in NEET
Thank you, sir.
DM Pathology Group. Congratulations.
Yes.
Now, can we know about a brief background from where you started till date, what all you have done?
So I have started. I have done my MBBS from the State Medical College only, from Bakura Sammeloni Medical College, which is a government medical college, and then I moved on to do MD Pathology from Calcutta National Medical College, which is also a government medical college in Kolkata. Then currently I'm posted as a senior resident. From a bonded senior resident in the state itself, which is Diamond Harbour Medical College, and currently I'm doing my first year senior residency there.
Very good. Excellent. Congratulations. Great,
Thank you, sir.
great accomplishment. Now, so I was thanking you for taking your time out to share
Yes, sir. Thank
valuable
you, sir.
experiences with us.
Mm.
And thank you very much. And we want to know uh, why DM super specialty after pathology? What super specialty you're interested in? Can you tell us on that?
Sir, we only have DM oncopathology through NEET SS. We can opt for that. So I was always interested in the histopath part of the pathology part, which was more, I was always inclined towards that. So I always wanted to do it. Currently there are fellowships and this DM we have. So I wanted to do this. Last year also I opted for this. I scored a rank of 126, but I could not, since there are very less seats in this group. So I decided to do it again this year. Then for that reason only, I want to get a better approach, better diverse approach through this subject for this. So wanted to do this subject.
Very good. Excellent. Congratulations. And
Yes. Okay.
can we know once you decided to do so, what all you did, how you prepared? Can you share us the preparation strategy?
Sir, I passed out my MD in 2025, February 2025. Then I joined the speed group for 3 months. I took the subject for 3 months. Then for the course, I wrote down the all those lectures which was there in the speed oncopathology group. I saw the videos. I have written the lectures down in my notes, and then I went through the notes repeatedly. And along with that, I went through my no other notes which I have there, which was there in my MD part, which I have prepared for that. And I have currently done DNB also recently, so I have prepared for that as well from my Robbins and Ackerman, which are the textbooks which we have. So I went through that also repeatedly. So but the speed notes are the most important parts which I had. It helped me in my DNB preparation as well. It was
Wow.
very helpful for that.
Nice.
So I was able to do it within a few months from those notes only. So it was a those are very important in my preparation journey. So
Excellent. Excellent. Very.
thank you, sir.
And Doctor, about the paper, how many questions were you able to answer, and what was the pattern of the paper?
So the paper was more inclined towards uh, mostly they were one word answers, and some were very conceptual questions which we have to deduce from the long question types. They were mainly molecular patterns. What are the mutations? What are the commonly used IHC? They have given various pictorial representation of moleculars and IHCs, as well as some flow cytometries from hematology which we got. And sir, I have opted many questions. Actually, I opted around 140 questions, but I got mainly negative marking, I hope, because the score came down to around 410 out of 600. So maybe I got a little bit more negative mark, but I could attempt more questions. I got a few wrongs, which I came back and I saw there were very silly mistakes, few. But other than that, the questions were known, and it was some questions were directly from the speed notes which I have studied from the oncopathology.
Very nice. Very nice.
Yes.
Doctor, what will be your message to the future aspirants of DM pathology group?
So I would say we have to know the basics very nicely, especially study the Robbins from the cover to cover, because that is the main fundamental book which we have. And so knowing the subject thoroughly, as well as going through the practical approach of the subject, other than only learning the subject from books, is very important, because we have to do. There are many questions which come from the practical oriented parts of the subject, like what we practice daily or what reporting we do daily. So those things we have to know also correctly, so that there are very basic things which we make mistakes currently. So we have to know that also properly. That is what I want to know. Yes, sir.
Excellent, very nice. Doctor,
Mhm.
time to thank and whom all you want to thank, you feel that
Uh,
they have helped
Sir,
you.
I want to thank my parents first, especially my mother, my husband, who has been after me to the entire journey. He has been a very important part of my life after that. So he helped me in the studies and preparation part. So that was along with my in-laws and other family members, sir, and my faculties who have helped me, and currently my colleagues and seniors who are there in my department, who always gave me time to study as well as go through this journey very nicely.
Very nice.
Mm.
Excellent.
So thank you.
Thank you. Doctor, once again, we wish you all the very best, all the success,
Thank you, sir.
great career in super specialty of oncopathology in DM. Best,
Yes, sir.
all the best.
Thank you, sir.